car? Would you like to take a... Oh, you're taking a ride. Are you taking a ride? Beep, beep. You got a lot to look at, don't you? Yeah, you do. Ah, you having fun? You got a new car. You can drive that car. You can go beep, beep. You can go beep, beep. Oh, yeah. The world's your oyster, huh? Yeah, you're gonna back yourself into a corner, huh? Is that what you're gonna do? Where's Grandpa? Huh? Where's Grampy? Whoops! Come on! There's no brakes on these ones. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All those things you've been looking at all that time. Yeah, it's not going to take you long. It's not going to take you long. Whoa, whoa. Grandpa. This is never going to work.